Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change password on Discord if you forgot it. So first step you need to do is to open Discord and click on this user settings and click on my account and click on change password. But for that you need to enter your current password, then you can change. But I do not remember my current password, so you simply need to scroll here and click on logout. Click on logout again, and here you need to add your email or phone number. So I am going to add my email address here, and here you can see password. You simply need to click on forgot your password, and instruction will be sent on to your email. So open your email address. I already log into my email, so click here, click on reset password, and a new window will pop up like this. So wait for few seconds so that it will be open. Okay, here you need to add your new password and click on change password. So this is the process that you need to follow to change password on Discord if you forgot it. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.